So that's everything included for the second semester at Sonoran Desert Institute. Amazing. Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? YouTube, gun streamer, and the rest of YouTube North America. The gun psychiatrist here with our second Sonoran Desert Institute unboxing video. And as you saw from the introduction, we had a ton of packages show up on the front porch, and so I'm super excited to get into those and see what they sent me. But before we go into what actually shipped in those packages, I want to discuss a little bit of information regarding the program, what we've been learning, what classes I've been taking in the first semester. The semesters run 8 weeks long, and of course I'm actually enrolled in the Associate of Science in Firearms Technology program. So the first class I took was Basic Ballistics. It was a really good, thorough class. Even an old gun guy like me, I learned quite a bit from it, as it went through a history of cartridge development. It went through the various types of bullets and bullet technology. There was a very small section on casting. Of course, there was a large section on swaging, and we finished out the class with a good little tutorial on reloading. Some of the books that they gave us were really good hard hitters. So if you're looking to build a gunsmith library, you will accumulate a vast selection of books. The other class I took was more or less a basic for me, which was Introduction to Firearms, and of course it went over the most important thing, which was firearm safety. We went over shop practices and shop setup, and the various types of shops you can set up. Literally, if you needed a gunsmith, you could do it in your living room, or you can go with a full-fledged shop, rent space in town, what have you, but it gives you a good plethora of information to basically set up and start doing your own gunsmithing at home. It also covered an extensive background in firearm actions, the cycle of operations, and the various operating systems used in firearms. And of course, we got our Otis gun cleaning kit, and we had to do a firearms cleaning lab, which was fairly easy, but there are some good principles that are taught in there, especially if you're new to firearms. It's going to teach you how to properly clean your gun and make you critically think about the importance of cleaning a firearm. So that's been it for the first semester, and I'm learning quite a bit, actually. Even, like I said, I've been in the industry for 10 years, and so far, it's a very well put together program. But now, for the exciting part, we're actually going to dig into all the boxes they sent us, and we got 3 to open, so let's check it out. Alright, so for our first box, I believe this was the welcome kit that we got sent in the mail. Usually into your 7th or 8th week they sent out this welcome kit, so I'm a little excited to see what's in it. And let's see. Oh, cool. We got here. We got a t-shirt. Always love some good propaganda. There we go, with the SDI logo on the front. Nice American flag patch on the sleeve. That's cool. That'll go nice in the wardrobe. Let's see what else we got here. Whoa, cool. That's it for the first box. Let's see. So we got an AR-15 keychain. That's kind of cool. We got an SDI sticker for the back of the car. Yeah. And looks like we have an armor's mat. I like it. I have my AR-15 one. This appears to be, oh wow, look at this. They got an AR-10, and of course we have the 1911 on here, and then the AR-15. They're a little small, but hey, I'm not complaining. This is beautiful. This is an amazing map. That was the welcome kit from Sonoran Desert Institute. Let's check out what else we got. Alright, so for the second box, let's see what we got. This, I believe, is going to be for semester number 2. Now, look at this. There's a handy little peel thing right here. Alright. Let's check it out. I have a feeling that this week, or this semester, is going to be all about refinishing. And of course, there we are. So we got School of Firearms Technology, Fastener Repair Lab. Guess we're going to be repairing fasteners. Of course, they give you a handy dandy little packing sheet. Make sure you got everything. And I'll do this so you guys can see it. I don't know what a fastener repair lab is. In this we will be discussing screw type fasteners. Oh yeah, okay. I have a feeling about this. Screwdriver bits, all that fun stuff. Let's see. Perma Blue Liquid Gun Blue. It's nice. I've been needing a bottle of that. Hey! Look at that. We got a tap wrench. I already have one of these. It's like we got a block of aluminum. Alright. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a drill center. We have a spiral screw extractor. Actually, I have a broke screw I need to get out of my gun, so this is going to be a good lesson. Number 31 jobber drill bit for tapping and drilling, 648 tap. And of course, a 5/64 drill bit that we'll probably be using for, which I'm assuming, to extract stuck screws. Nice! Digital calipers. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. Wow, I've been needing a new set. I bought a new set years ago. I used to use it in my gunsmithing practice. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. These look like they're really nice. I've never heard of these people. Of course, I can't really read their name, but wow. Yes, sir. Okay, so these aren't a very expensive pair. But usually when you have an extremely expensive pair of calipers, in here you're actually going to have pieces of carbide. And they do that to keep them from wearing out. But this looks like a really, really nice set. This is amazing. So cool. Man, I got me a brand new set. Look at that. Zero it out. It's too cool, man. Too cool. Awesome. Super cool. Alright, so that was everything that came in the next semester's package. Of course, I'm assuming that we're going to be actually probably drilling and tapping some of this aluminum. So that should be interesting. But there we have it. That's everything we got in this one. And then we got to move on to the last box, which I've really been interested to get into, which I believe is the Hydro Dip Kit. Alright, so here's for the third and final package, which is a Hydrographics Dip Kit from Dipstick, or Hydrographics Dip 123. And of course, I'm hoping we have hydrographics this semester, because let me tell you what, that'll be an easy one for me, as I used to run my own hydrographics business, so that should be super easy. Let's take a look at this kit and see what we got. Alright. Look at there. And of course, save 10% off your next purchase. Hydrographics dip instructions, face mask, rubber gloves, easy wipes, multi-purpose industrial cleaning wipes. You got a sticker, a paintbrush for touch-up. That's like the worst way to touch up hydrographics with a paintbrush. It's best to use an airbrush. But for a kit, this is actually pretty cool that they give that to you. Let's see. Looks like we got base coat paint. Looks like we got activator. And of course we have clear coat. I don't see any primer. It's usually best to prime stuff, but and looks like we got some. Check out the film we got. It actually looks like it's TWN film. Looks like we got Army ATAX. Make a pretty interesting pattern. I might go with a different type of film. See who manufactured this stuff. No, I'm not seeing anything on here. Looks like we got a 50 centimeter Hydrographics film kit. So, all in all, pretty exciting. I'll be really excited to start this semester. So that's it. That's been the second unboxing from Sonoran Desert Institute. And of course, stay tuned for more. If you're interested, check them out. SDI.edu. So that's it for the second semester. It looks like it's going to be a really cool semester. We're going to be diving into a lot of refinishing. which is right up my alley. I've been in the refinishing thing for about 10 years now with firearms, so I'm really looking forward to the second semester. But that's it for this video. So if you guys found this helpful or informative, please like and share with all your friends. Of course, you can find us on Gunstreamer at The Gun Psychiatrist on Gunstreamer. Of course, The Gun Psychiatrist on YouTube and The Gun Psychiatrist 1 on Facebook. Please check us out and share this around. Thanks for watching.